started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Truck, and I'm back with another video, man. And in this video, we're gonna be headed up to Cleveland to check out our other chapter of the Headturners, the Cleveland Headturners, man. Their first meet of the year. They having a little get together, going out to eat. We're gonna check out a few cars, see what they working with up there. Also, man, I want to give big thanks to everybody that came out and watched my premiere video, watched the second video. I know that second video is a little long, but man, there was so many cars, so much content that I had to get it all in there. Sorry for making it so long, but I didn't want to leave anybody's cars out, leave any cars out at all, you know what I mean? We all heading up to go hang out with these Cleveland Headturners, see what they about, take some pics, get some good content, man. We're gonna go up here and hang out on Lake Erie, check it out. Right next to the Brown Stadium, First Energy. You know, Ravens run that though. No, I'm just playing. Nothing but love for my Cleveland Browns, man. Alright, tell me what y'all want to see. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me if I'm doing it right, man. If I'm doing it right, like this video, share it, comment. But stay tuned, man. Fire content is coming. I want to let y'all know I'm going to be dropping videos every Wednesday and Friday at 1 p.m. Alright, so let's get into this video, baby. Here we go. Here we are, stopped again because they got to go to the bathroom. They got to go potty. Killing us. This is how we sitting. This is what we looking like. The 300. I gotta show y'all something though. It looked nice right here, but look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Bro, what is that? Oh my god! I ain't even gonna cap. Let's check mine out. Oh, look how they did me. Look at my back end though. It's been raining. I ain't gonna clean it till we get to Cleveland because I ain't gonna be driving through all this rain. But yeah, we dirty out here. Extra dirty. These my boys here. This one over here is like he's shy for some reason. Look at him hiding. Get this dude. What is those? What is those, bro? What is those? I ain't got my pretties on, man. Hang on for a second. There we go. Turn them pretties on and pretties on. But yeah, we headed up to Cleveland. Headturners meet, first of the year. Cleveland Headturners. It should be cool. Can't wait. Wait to see all the cars up there. About to get it in. Y'all ever go for a travel Y'all say you're gonna leave at a certain time, but it's always like 2 hours later. Yeah, that's what we on right now. 2 hours later. Man, it's killing me. But we'll get back with y'all here in a second. Yeah, but we on the road, finally.
Crazy. Police truck goes on straight loop with Stanton. That's what I posted it.
Street loop Stanton?
Yeah.
Finally made it up here to Cleveland. 4-hour trip. What's the name of this place we're staying at?
Town Suites or something.
Town Suites.
Marriott.
Got these bots over here. You still camera shy, my guy?
Can you get that? You.
He trying to act all camera shy, but he talk to them girls all the time. Look at him.
We just need
Look,
that bag.
we about to go in here and check out this room, see what we got going on.
Okay, I'll do that so it doesn't show on you. You have to do that sometimes because sometimes it doesn't.
Huh?
It's right there.
Right here, 229. That's 229.
See what we working with.
I thought, Mama.
Old in here.
It is cold.
Woo! This is pretty. No, excuse me.
This dude finally woke up. I already used it.
Oh yeah, you used it.
Where mamas go?
Where Mama?
What's up, guys? I come out here to the car to finish up the video for the night. We was gonna go out and check out things, but man, everybody's in there laying around being lazy, so I guess we'll just continue this video tomorrow. Catch you guys in the AM.
If he thinks
That looks so. Top of that building looks fake. Looks like it's built on Legos. It's weird.
why you say
No, I'm not gonna tell you that top of that building. Look at it.
made it up here. It's windy. I know the sound quality is probably horrible, but we finally made it up here to the Cleveland Headturners car meet up here at the pier. Oh my God, it's cold. We ain't bring no jackets or nothing. We out here freezing like crazy. Right on the water. Say what? We out here freezing. We out here freezing. See them brownie boys back there in the background. My goodness. Let's go check out this lineup. So far, everybody showed up. Them big boy trucks, man. Nice, nice, nice.
My pants too tight.
That Joker thing, the Subaru, a BMW, that 392 right there. Great boys right here. Daytona thing, that Challenger. I think he got some stuff done to this. I'm not for sure, but I think he got something done to it. Sounded like it anyways. We got the Mero over here. Durango. Mitsubishi. Oh boy, Talon. The 300. Of course, you see the Murder Hornet sitting there. Wide body thing right here. Another 392. Boy, sitting over here in the cut, looking all nice. This thing sounds awesome too. check out the Cleveland Headturners up there acting the food on Tik Toks, man. So be like.
My nipples are hard.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. And if you made it to this point, I really appreciate you taking your time out to watch this whole video. You're the real MVP. And if you like what you've seen, like, comment, share, subscribe. Until the next time, I'm out.